Hello everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a very quick and easy tutorial on how to make a heart shape inside of Illustrator. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do here is create a new document. You can do that through several ways. You can either go to File and hit New, or you can use the shortcut Control New. I'm not going to set any values here because it's completely irrelevant, so I'm just gonna ignore this for now and hit create. I go to view and hide artboards. What does that do to me is it gives me plenty of room so that I can duplicate and play around with multiple versions. I go to the rectangle tool. I create a rectangle, something around that. I give it a fill. It doesn't really matter what color you choose, you can always change that. And I hold shift and rotate it around 45, like so. I duplicate it using Ctrl C, Ctrl F, and I hold shift and rotate it around 315. I select the whole shape. I go to the shape builder tool, and I remove these parts, like so. I go to the direct selection tool. I select the 4 of these anchor points, and I drag simply like that. And that was it. We have a very perfect heart shape. If you found this video very helpful, please make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, stay creative.